Hello YouTube, welcome to this video, and it's another in my series on the Enzippopedia book. Thank you so much, Paul, for sending me this as a present. It's a wonderful book, and this beautiful lighter, the ARMOUR lighter, which you can see here. Okay, how to get the book is in the description of all my previous parts, and we're going to discuss, amongst other things, table lighters. Ever since 1935, when Kendall Refining Company commissioned Zippo, the first shipment of lighters, with their logo to dispute among its employees and clients, BELLE discovered a whole new unexploited niche in the market, incorporating new items in the catalogue of the company that would make it grow rapidly and increase its turnover and manufactured units. In 1938, 5 years after their start of production, they wanted to widen their portfolio with a product precisely designed for this means, to create a new advertising space. What better medium than table lighters? And a prototype was finished in 1939, and a cautiously designed model enters the production line, manufactured in small quantities, and was 11.43 centimetres in height, 4.9 centimetres in width, 3.6 centimetres in depth, finished off with a low end by a step-like socket. In its interior there's extra long insert, and which could practically house 1/4 of a fuel container of the time, about 4 times the amount of a regular model. The hinge had 4 barrels, the chimney 14 holes, and the lettering on the insert at the bottom says Zippo MFG Company, Bradford, PA, Pennsylvania, Zippo, then a patent number, made in USA. It received the name Barcroft in honour of Zippo's founder's wife, and production ceased in 1941, and because of its short run, it is highly priced and rare to find. Initial price was $10, which is a lot of money, and the Zippo regular kit with the fuel bottle and 10 stones could be bought for $2.5. You could personalise it also with a logo, 3 initials or signature for an extra $1. And that's what the first table lighter looked like. Six years later, Zippo returned to field after the war with a table lighter named Deluxe All-Purpose Table Lighter, and it was manufactured from 1947 through to 49. Satin chrome finish, $10 to $11.50, and in gold plated finish also at $20. And that's the advert for this new table lighter of 1945, and there's the actual lighter itself. Photos at the end of film. Probably due to manufacturing costs, the product, once the product was introduced to the market, immediately after the production ceases, the Barcroft in 49, third design, which lasted to 54. The height drops down to 8.25 centimetres, but the attributes don't change. The chimney keeps 16 holes, the base is identical, and there is a big promotion for the thing. The advert also reminds a potential client that their business can be displayed on the lighter to be remembered 20, 40, 60 times a day. After all the changes and tweaks made to the table lighter, there was one thing missing, which was that the insert could be extracted and used in the regular, making both models compatible. This would lower production costs, and that's how the fourth and final version of the Barcroft was born in 1954, until it was definitely discontinued in 1959. The height is 8.4 centimetres, base 5.5 centimetres by 4.2 centimetres, and weighs 308 kilograms. Sorry, 308 grams. Get me weights mixed up. And that's the advert. And that's the table lighter. Some more pictures of said lighter. And the presentation boxes. This is the Lady Bradford, which I'm going to tell you about next. Zippo produces to other table lighters radically different in design. Lady Bradford prototype was developed during 1949, launched in 1950, and remained on the market till 54. And that's a wonderful looking Zippo. 1960 to 66, there's two table lighters available. Both designs radically opposed, but not meant to, like the Barcroft, to serve as a backdrop for business ads, but to occupy another niche, a decorative item. The moderner model is slender, slim, and much like you'd expect in the 60s. And then there was another one which had used a slim model lid, but slightly fatter. And there's some pictures there of the two lighters. The Coronation model was created for Zippo by William Riley, Attenborough and Muss in 1961, and is rather unusual, to say the least. A bit different to the other designs. Handle light began its production in 1979, conical base with a threaded terminal, which introduced in the regular Zippo model, and that's that one, the handle light. Finally, Lady Barbara was launched in 1997, and according to German catalogue's Classic Select, it's made of a hollow casing that includes a complete lighter and an antique silver finish. It's slightly smaller, 276 grams lighter. It's also lighter, 8.2 centimetres by 5.2 centimetres width, with a base of 2.7. Because the lid is not part of the base, the Zippo isn't fully inserted to allow enough space for the opening of the hinge, so other variants were made with a smooth front, no decorative motif. Others included a clock or the camel model, which I'll show you there. Okay guys, that's it from me. Next week I'll be talking about loss-proof lighters, or how to make them loss-proof, town and country lighters, a Zippo car, and various finishes to the lighter. And give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and stay lit.